Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Izabela Azevedo. I'm a dermatologist from Brazil, but I'm living here in Dubai. I met Dr. Maria in a workshop, and from that time, I really liked the way she was doing her presentations and how ethical she is. That's the reason why I decided to join the A4M course. My expectations regarding this course were high, but after attending the course, I got a lot of knowledge and experience to that I'm sure that I'm gonna use in my clinical practice. So I really recommend this course, and thank you again, Dr. Maria, for sharing with us your experience and the way you treat your patients. And I want to thank also the all the staff from the clinic. You are amazing, all of you. Thank you so much.